Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dance
again. Put the live Templar News. Presently, I'm a virgin budget. It's on a rest culture. It's presently right now in the zone. So I don't know if you can talk to the camera right now. But let's check out some of the features. Because it's so intense, like a Mark Schumacher, blood thick, with Rasta. Oh, what happened? You don't know.
Viewers and subscribers, me have to talk about things like them because me use the road as well as them use the road as well as Uno use the road and wouldn't like to be a victim of the road. You see? You see? The first thing I go point out on this is rain or fall. You see it? And it's when rain or fall, if you can walk like a granny with the car, it would be the best thing. You see what I say? Trust me, you might have reached a yard like about 10 to 20 hours late, but at least you reach. You see it? Alright, watch this now. First of all, rain or fall. And you notice, you can listen to the sound of the engine. Say, yo, pressure put on the engine. You see it? If you look in front, you see a grey car. So is it that one out of two ways make him crash a while ago? You see me? Either I'm about to overtake and the grey car in front of him overtake at the same time. You see me? So him just go wider because it's like through the grey car will come out upon him now and try to swing from him and I saw him end up off of the road and spin. You see? And this is the proof why I believe that might be one of the ways. You see, after the car they over there, so if you're looking at the camera, you see two cars. One of them look like it come from behind him, which is grey also, and you can see in a small shadow I go up with the grey car, then you see one white. I don't know if a bus, if I bus that hour, but that park up right there, so. You see me? So at that, the car in front of him take out from while him try to overtake that car. You see it? And with rainfall, distance they far from you make you can't see things. You see it? Or is it that him did try to negotiate a corner? And while negotiating that corner, you take a stock, the wheel just glide right off of the road. You see it? Yeah. But accidents do happen, you see me? And we never call this reckless, you see it? But at the same time, when you see rain or fall, you take on the time, you see it? That not only go for bike man alone, you see me? Because bikers, I see some bike man lie down around corner all on the road wet. I don't understand that, you see me? Alright, watch it now. I'm going to show you now some things what go on in the city when it comes to reckless driving. I'm going to show you what real reckless driving is. Look on the senior. That's a real reckless driving. You see what I talk about? You see? So, at them they could sit them I talk about bridging. You see? Now, this man want to go. You see me? Because you don't know the whole bus and taxi thing still. The people have to make them money. Them have to hustle. You see me? I say, but at the same time, while you hustle, you put people in a danger. And them little thing that we are talking about. Because you see what go on there, so? Swing! Him have a swing with friend of man there, you know. You see it? And it's a good thing that man need that come hard. That man have to just break up and just low making go on and them thing. You see it? But I mean, I don't know. You see me? And it just coming like I'm now in Jamaica right about now. You see me? And that's one of them things. You see it? So anyways, I beg you now. For all of the motorists, them, you see me? I say the drivers, the riders. You see me? I say, even if you walk foot. You see me? I say, you don't take on the time. Cut on the speed. I not talk for the people who walk foot still now. Although some people walk fast. But that means to say, I mean like, who can walk and crash and mash up? That... Another flash garden thing. Alright, yo, but real for real and truly still, I say, real and truly people, take on the time on the road because me use the road. And I want to be safe on the road. Alright? So I want to go up and just take it either way, me just say. Alright? Alright, blessed. You see me? Now if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. I want to big up on yourself, my people. You see?